Hey foodies, get ready to feast your eyes on a breakfast extravaganza like no other aboard the MSC Divina cruise ship. Today, we're diving into a culinary adventure at the breakfast buffet that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more. Welcome aboard the MSC Divina, where the breakfast buffet is not just a meal, but a sensory experience. Prepare to be dazzled by an array of tantalizing dishes that cater to every craving and culinary preference. Join me as we embark on a gastronomic journey that will redefine your breakfast expectations. As we navigate through the vast selection of delectable dishes, the challenge lies in deciding what to indulge in first. From fluffy pancakes to crispy bacon, the dilemma of trying to fit everything on one plate is real. But fear not, as we're here to guide you through this breakfast paradise. Let's explore the different food stations that make up this breakfast wonderland. From freshly baked pastries to made-to-order omelettes, the MSC Divina buffet offers a diverse range of international cuisines to satisfy every palate. Indulge in Italian delicacies, savor the flavors of Asia, and enjoy classic American breakfast favorites, all in one place. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the first bite. Whether it's tasting a perfectly fluffy croissant or discovering a new favorite breakfast item, the excitement is palpable. Let the flavors transport you to a world of culinary bliss as you savor each mouth-watering bite. In conclusion, the MSC Divina Breakfast Buffet is a food lover's dream come true. With an abundance of options, top-notch quality, and a vibrant atmosphere, this dining experience is a true highlight of the cruise. From sunrise to sunset, the breakfast buffet sets the perfect tone for a day filled with culinary delights. If you've enjoyed this virtual food tour, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cruise ship food adventures and travel escapades. Join us on our next culinary journey as we explore the world one dish at a time. Until next time, bon appétit!